we have felt that the investigations into the Easter Sunday attack are not going on with a sense of determination to find who is responsible. In fact, the former Attorney General made a statement to say that there was a grand conspiracy, but he never specified what that grand conspiracy was. So there are certain elements in this Easter Sunday attack which have not been investigated thoroughly. There are some aspects of the extremist movements in Sri Lanka which have not been investigated thoroughly. There are some insinuations coming that some politicians have been involved in this plot, but no investigations have happened. Then there are some statements that have been made in the commission which were not seriously investigated. There was this case of that witness Jamil, the bomb, one who exploded the bomb, the last one, that he had met an army person called Sonic. That matter has come up, but no one has investigated, not even the commission has thoroughly investigated who this person was who had a contact with Jamil and why. This was mentioned in Parliament by Mr. Harin Fernando and some others. This should have been investigated, but it has not been investigated. Similarly, there is the story of the role played by Sarah Jasmine. We don't know where she is. Earlier, the investigations into the body parts found in Batticaloa after the explosions and the attacks and the firing, they said that Sarah Jasmine's DNA was not found there. Therefore, she was not there. So, where is she? Investigations have not been conducted on that. We are left with no other option but to carry on with our campaigns against the present government for its neglect of duty on this matter, because I was given a promise by the President that he will give top priority to this security issue, but he has not done that. We are not satisfied about what has happened. And secondly, we will have to go to the international fora in order to have a thorough investigation into this famous grand conspiracy. We want to know what that grand conspiracy is.